In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the Wix Events app. If you've been looking to seamlessly manage events on your Wix website, you'll find this tool to be incredibly handy. We're going to walk through each step, making sure you get comfortable with the app's interface and its features. First, we're going to start by heading over to the Wix website editor. This is the hub where we can access all the powerful tools Wix offers to customize and manage your website effectively. Once you're in the Wix website editor, the next action you'll want to take is to simply type the word Events into the search bar. This will quickly help you locate the appropriate section without any hassle. When you see Wix Events pop up, go ahead and click on it. This will guide you straight to where you can begin setting up your app. Once you're in, you'll have the option to either open an existing event or add a new one to your site. Choose to add it to your site, and this will incorporate the Events feature into your website, allowing for efficient event management. After the app has been added, the next crucial step is to click on Manage Events. This feature will allow you full control over your events, from overseeing attendee lists to managing event details. It's your one-stop shop for all things event-related on your site. Following this, you'll be creating a new event. Clicking Create Event will open up a panel where you can start entering all the details about the event you are organizing. Now comes the exciting part, choosing the type of event you want to set up. Whether it's a party, seminar, or a fundraiser, selecting the correct event type will help tailor the app's capabilities to suit your needs. Once that's done, it's time to give your event a name. The event's name is crucial, as it's the first thing potential attendees will notice, so make it engaging. Next, you'll enter a short teaser for your event. This teaser should be compelling and concise, providing attendees with a snapshot of what they can expect. You'll then need to choose the date and time for your event. Providing clear and exact timing is essential to ensure your attendees know exactly when they need to attend. After setting the timing, you'll decide on the location of your event. Clearly specifying whether it's an online or in-person gathering is important. Then, it's time to input detailed information about your event. This section should cover all essential details, from agenda topics to speaker lists, ensuring potential attendees have all the information they need. Once all this information is meticulously filled out, the final step is to click on Create Draft. This will save all the hard work you've put in, allowing you to review everything before making it live on your site. And there you have it. You've just learned how to set up the Wix Events app, paving the way for smooth and successful event management on your website.